Now let's draw a upside down egg-shaped face. It's just rough, then we can erase it. Now as you see, I'm drawing the shoulders. It's like a free loose top. I'm drawing the frills and gathers for the skirt, and above it I'm using the prints and pattern technique. If you have not watched that video, kindly watch it. I'm giving the link in the description. I'm drawing the legs and the hands. I'm not showing you full details because I've already taught you in previous videos. Let's concentrate more on this dress. In the beginning I told you it's just a rough one, so I'm erasing it and drawing it again. Now I'm using this Uhu marker turquoise blue. I'm going to color this full dress in this. After giving it full, I'm applying it for the second time. And I've used Faber-Castell pencil for the shading. I'm using this black color marker and erasing these rough lines. And I'm also using this white color Sakura gel pen. and a shade which is yellow and brown kind of. Continue doing it. For the outer line, I'm using a Things Tableau black pen. Now I'm giving the polka dots with this white gel pen. As the dress is finished, let's color the skin. I've used pale mauve Uhuhu marker. Let's give shading with the brown color Faber-Castell pencil. Now that I've done with the face, I'm using this black color pen again for the eyebrows and outer line of the eyes. I'm using this blue color pencil for the eyeballs and brown color for the nose. I'm giving pink color for the lips and outer line is going to be the black pen. The cheekbones are going to be the brown color and it's a different shade. We're giving black color for the hair and shading it with white color Sakura gel pen, and upon it we are using this black color Faber-Castell pencil. I've thought of giving a black shoe, so I'm using this black pen to color it. For making it look more realistic, I'm giving this shadow using Uhuhu marker warm grey. Now this is the final look.